How to change year in Google Maps. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can change year in Google Maps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically change year in Google Maps, it's very simple. Open up the Google Maps application, and depending upon what place you're trying to search for to see its transformation over the years, select that particular place over here. Once you select that particular place, you will see how this place has looked like. But if you want to see how this place has evolved, you should be able to see more option or all the sorts of options, right? So you can see 9 days ago this was this, and previously it was like this. So you can select that particular photo, then you can say this was 6 years ago, but you can select that and you can see more dates if it is available for this, and then you'll be able to add and view those places over the years. This way you should be able to go ahead and then change year in Google Maps. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.